So you want to make the world's best craft cocktails? Whether you're a beginning mixologist or a seasoned pro, we have industry-leading courses to get you there. Welcome to A Bar Above. I'm Chris, a former professional bartender who loves all things craft cocktails and spirits. While I was in the industry, I love learning about the latest craft cocktail techniques and setting spirits in great detail. I found that the best information was either hard to come by or completely contradictory to what was out there already. So, after 15 years as a bartender, I decided to change that. I created an industry-leading craft cocktail course that is perfect for professional bartenders and cocktail enthusiasts alike. We offer both the Bar Basics course for cocktail enthusiasts and a Mixology Certification for more advanced enthusiasts and professionals. If you're anything like me and you want to try before you buy, I want to give you a chapter completely for free. Just hit the link in the description box and sign up for free. We'll see you there. Need to know which course is best for you? Well, the Bar Basics course is perfect for anybody that wants an introduction into spirits and cocktails. The course is shorter, about 3 to 4 hours, and perfect for anybody that wants an introduction into mixology. The Mixology Certification is perfect for anybody that wants to take a much deeper dive into cocktail ingredients and learn the common structure of most cocktails around. The certification that you receive upon completion is recognized throughout the industry and highly recommended for cocktail enthusiasts as well. You'll also be invited into our community of like-minded craft cocktail and spirit lovers where you can continue to expand your knowledge in all things craft cocktails. Use the link below to grab a free chapter for whichever course is right for you. We'll see you there.